The patient safety conference, which has been organized by NABH, I think it is a landmark event, and it is very important for healthcare, all healthcare providers, to focus on patient safety. Whatever patient safety initiatives we take, whatever quality initiatives we take, they have got no meaning unless they provide this sense of safety to the patients and the sense of wellness for the patient. The quality, unless it touches the patient, it has got no relevance to anyone. So in our endeavor, whatever we do in our hospitals, our endeavor should be that we do everything to bring patient centricity, patient safety, and all the aspects of quality should impact the entire journey of the patient in our hospitals. This is our endeavor. And if we look at our healthcare system today, NABH has done a creditable job. The standards are improving year after year. Whatever standards are coming, they are become in fact, their accreditation process has become very stringent. They are actually pushing people to ensure that all the aspects of patient safety are taken care while going through the accreditation process. And I think this is a great opportunity of also uniting and bringing the entire healthcare system on the same platform where the hospitals can be evaluated based on their accreditation status. And at the same time, I think there is enough incentive from the government side that if you are NABH accredited, your rate revisions take place accordingly. Your subjects, whatever new specialties you introduce, they have to also follow the accreditation route. So I think comprehensively, combinedly, I think these are initiatives which will enhance patient safety all across the healthcare platform in this country.